Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your language on xPortal. So let's dive into the video right away. Open your xPortal application from your app drawer and also make sure to log into your account. Once you're signed into your xPortal account, tap on your profile picture appearing at the top left. Now, tap on the gear button at the bottom left from the expanded menu. This will then open up the settings interface from where you will need to select customization. Tap on the language option and select the language of your preference you would like to change to, and tap on confirm at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you will now be able to change your display language for xPortal. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.